Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. When your job calls for muscle, this truck over-delivers. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, auto dimming mirrors, heated steering wheel, intercooled turbo V8 engine, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Kelley Blue Book explains, whether purchasing for commercial construction, agriculture, or recreational towing, if your needs are truly heavy duty, you will likely find those needs met with the Chevrolet Silverado HD, which offers all of the virtues with few of the vices normally associated with a heavy duty truck. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Hall Automotive. More cars, great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads.